Jennifer Bigler from Prairie Wood Elementary, and I'd like to take this time and talk to you about your child's MAP report and how to read it. The MAP test stands for Measure of Academic Progress and is provided by NWEA, and here in D200 we administer the MAP test 3 times per year, fall, winter, and spring, for both reading and math. This test is computer-based and divided into 3 separate tests broken down by grade levels: kindergarten and first, 2nd through 5th, and middle school on up. These tests vary by difficulty and adjust to the child's level as they take the test. As your child answers correctly, the test becomes more difficult. If they answer incorrectly, the questions become easier. This allows the test to accurately reflect your child's strengths and weaknesses. We use this information as a resource to help us set personalized learning goals for your child and develop lesson activities that will help your child reach their goals.
Hi, I'm Marty Frisbee, an instructional coach here in District 200, and I'd like to walk through this sample MAP report with you. We'll start at the top. This shows your child's information, such as what test they took, when they took the test, and their school and the district. We'll take a closer look at the chart in the table now. These show your child's performance over time. There's a chart for both math and reading. Let's look closely at the bar graph. Your child's score is what is referred to as their RIT score. Here you will see scores for fall, winter, and spring for their current school year, as well as scores from previous years. The blue bar is your child's performance this year. The orange bar represents the average RIT score for the district, and the yellow bar represents the average RIT score for children nationwide. The data box on the right side of the page also shows your child's performance on their MAP test throughout the years, including their RIT score and their national ranking percentile range. Please pay close attention to your child's percentile range, as it shows where your child's academic performance stands in comparison to children nationwide.
Your child's MAP test score acts as an important indicator of their current educational performance and a good measure of growth over time. However, it's also an important communication tool for our teachers to use with parents.
Our goal is to help our D200 parents engage in genuine conversations with teachers and students regarding how the student is progressing academically. If you have further questions about your child's academic progress, please contact your child's teacher. If you still have questions that remain, contact the principal. Thank you for watching.